So, meron kaming 3-walk trip together with Sir Sat. Hi, Sir Sat. And Sir Christian. Kitang-kita ka syempre. So, kanina nalaman namin yung mga exotic and endemic trees na makikita lang dito sa Philippines. Yan. Tsaka yung mga imported natin. Sir, turo pa.
Yung wooden floor, baluster, etc. Kaya na, karamihan ng nara ay naging endangered na yung niya. Kaya siya ay rap na rap, di ba? Ito yung tinatawag na prickly nara. Para kung mapapansin mo, pag ginanong ko masusugatan si Sir, para siya may mga bristle na medyo matigas, para siyang rambutan, para siyang steel grass. Ito yung tinatawag na prickly nara. Ito naman yung fresh nara. So inside the book are anyway, galing no? So ito naman tinatawag na fishtail palm. Fishtail kahit pa siya.
Okay, so guys, actually this is the second to the last. Going to exit now sa 3, anong tawag ito? Tree hunting. Walk, tree walk. Tree walk. Wow.
This is a tree walk.
Not totally tree walk. Something ganyan.
Ano ka ba?
Hindi. Tree. Something ganon. Tree. Basta tree. Ganda dito pala sa loob.
Sino yung bird watching first session? First session. Yes, and then the bird watch, yun ang bird, we'll have a bird watching station and we'll go to the lectures. Okay.
Hi guys, ma'am, ano pong pangalan ng bird? Coppersmith. Pwede ba namin makita dun, ma'am, yung Coppersmith kapag sa camera?
Yeah. It's called telescoping.
Ay, really po? Kita mo ba? Kita mo ba? Parang hindi mo naman... Ay, try nyo muna, kayo muna. Sige. Pa-experience nyo muna sa iba. Coppersmith.
Nga, try mo ako.
Bibihira lang.
Pero hindi rin siya unique sa Pilipinas. Sa ibang bansa, makakakita ka din ng ganito. Sa tingin ninyo, in the pictures you see here, alin dito yung sa Pilipinas nyo lang and then it eats it later. So medyo, and then nag-aaway-away din sila. So when bird watchers see shrikes, brown shrikes, around September, October, it signals the start of the migration season. Ibig sabihin lahat, right? So, we are going to try to look for more species. Nakita kasi yellow, pero sobrang hirap. Kasi pag tumingin ka dyan, halos lahat yellow and green, di ba? But you will notice them for their sound. They have a very distinct sound. So, yellow yung kwent niya. So, kapag nakatalikod ka naman, nakita niyo yellow. So, warblers naman, merong Arctic warbler. And then, any other kind of warbler? Arctic and
Active.
Arctic.
Open and close it. Open it, then you can move around. Close it. Good luck. Thank you so much.
You're now officially a bird watcher.
All of this, we're all looking at birds. So we're all bird
You have a
watchers.
student right for the club?
Oh, there. I saw one. For Oh, I saw one. I saw small, a tiny egret. Little egrets would be possible, although very unlikely here. Oh, really? More on coastal.
There's no car about here.
Oh, Chinese.
Other Chinese.
Which is actually an endangered species. I thought that was an egg. Soccer ball lang pala. Yes.
It's sandpiper, but it's very hard to see. You'll have to look beyond the water juice at the doon sa edge of the water. It's small. It has a white underparts and then gray yung kanyang
Kami yung wired up. Wired up. Wired up.
So you guys make a good team.
Ayan, liwanag. There. There. There.
This is a
Water little egrets.
water lily.
Little egrets. I saw them. I didn't see them. There.
Water lilies. Very endemic.
Very invasive. So small. Asan ka? There you go, Copper Smith. Hi, Copper Smith. Say hi to Kama. Nest building. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. And this is the end of our bird watching. Thank you so much, ma'am. What's your name, ma'am? What's your name?
Ako po si Ruth.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Ruth, for touring us. And napakadami palang ibon dito sa loob ng division office sa Oroceros. Hindi namin akalain na gano'n pala karami. Marami pa po bang ibang birds, ma'am? Ma'am Ruth? Marami pa pong klase ng ibon. Mga ilan po yung na-identify natin today?
Ngayon, mga 16.
Ay, wow, 16.
Okay, so we'd like to...
See you guys, 16 yung nakita namin dito. See you guys. Closing.
Speak para sa nature. Tayo po yung dapat na maging voice nila. Tayo po yung dapat na
Yan. So guys, maraming salamat, ma'am. What's your name, ma'am?
Johnny.
Ma'am Jenny, thank you so much for that very informative session.
You're very welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed.
Sobra, ma'am. Ang dami naming ibong nakilala.
Yes, that's good. Bye-bye.
Sir, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. What's your name, sir?
Willem,
William. Sir, where are you from, sir?
Netherlands.
Netherlands. Thank you so much, sir. I learned a lot so much today. Good. See you guys. Okay, so that's how we conclude our day for today's event sa bird watching namin together with our 100 students.
101.
Sa aming isang daang estudyante. Thank you so much, MJ. Ay, MG ba?
MG.
Ko MJ. MJ ako ng MJ. Mary Grace. Yan, Mary Grace. Parang kainan lang, di ba, Mary Grace? Mahal na. Mahal dun sa kainan na yun. So, yun nga, tapos na rin yung araw namin and a lot of learnings. Ang dami naming natutunang ibon. Dami kami natutunang mga puno at mga nakilala. na akala namin English lang ang alam niyang language. Nagtatagalog pala siya si Mabu. So, see ya guys. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See ya. Suggest kayo ha. Also to Sir Christian by MG. Tama na no?